Unveiling the secrets of charcoal face scrub. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the worlds of beauty and language learning. The meaning and use of the term charcoal face scrub. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's get started and uncover the secrets behind this popular skincare product. Before we delve into the specifics, let's break down the phrase charcoal face scrub into its components to better understand its meaning. Charcoal. This is a black, carbon-rich material made from wood, coconut shells, or other materials. In skincare, charcoal is prized for its ability to draw out impurities and absorb excess oils from the skin. Face. This refers to the front part of a person's head, from the forehead to the chin. In this context, it indicates that the product is specifically designed for use on the facial area. Scrub. A scrub is a type of skincare product that contains small particles or beads. When massaged onto the skin, it helps exfoliate or remove dead skin cells, revealing smoother, more radiant skin underneath. Now that we understand what a charcoal face scrub is, let's explore why it's become such a popular choice for skincare routines. 1. Deep cleansing. Charcoal has the ability to deeply cleanse the pores, removing dirt, pollutants, and excess oils. 2. Exfoliation. The scrub particles help slough off dead skin cells, promoting cell renewal and improving skin texture. 3. Detoxification. Charcoal is known for its detoxifying properties, helping to purify the skin and reduce the appearance of pores. 4. Suitability. Ideal for oily and combination skin types, though it can be used by anyone looking for a deeper cleanse. Using a charcoal face scrub effectively requires following some simple steps to ensure you reap the maximum benefits without harming your skin. 1. Wet your face with lukewarm water to open up the pores. 2. Apply a small amount of the scrub to your face, avoiding the delicate area around the eyes. 3. Gently massage the scrub in circular motions for about a minute. This action helps the charcoal and scrub particles do their work. 4. Rinse off with cool water to close the pores, and pat your face dry with a clean towel. 5. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Thank you for joining us today to learn about charcoal face scrubs. We hope this video has shed light on what makes this skincare product so beneficial and how you can incorporate it into your beauty routine. Remember, taking care of your skin is not just about beauty, it's about health and self-care. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and keep learning.